In this video, I will show you exactly how to breathe life into your favorite still photos by turning them into dynamic videos using Flow. This process is surprisingly simple and allows you to create professional animations in just a few clicks. To get started, you first need to upload your image into the workspace. Make sure you choose a high-quality photo with clear details, as this gives the artificial intelligence a better foundation to work with. Once your file is uploaded, you will need to configure the background settings to match your vision. The most critical part of this entire process happens in the text prompt box. This is where most people make a mistake. You should not waste your time redescribing what is already in the picture, such as mentioning the trees or the sky. Instead, you must focus strictly on the motion you want to see. For instance, a great prompt would be something like, cinematic slow zoom, water ripples softly in the foreground, and clouds drift across the sky. By describing the specific movements, you give the tool clear instructions on how to animate the scene without confusing it with redundant descriptions of the objects themselves. Once you have typed in your motion instructions, simply hit the generate button and wait for the magic to happen. You can experiment with different speeds or camera movements to get the perfect result. Now that you know the secret to perfect animation prompts, you are ready to start creating your own stunning videos from scratch. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating.